Hello guys, RiderTech here. And since I have the same kilometers in this bike as the RS, I think I should do a short-term review of my KTM 890 Adventure R Street Edition, because this bike hasn't seen off-road yet. So, as I was saying, no off-road yet with the bike. I haven't had the time to search for some off-road roads near me. And because of that, there's no off-road on the bike yet, so I cannot talk about off-road, but I can talk about the suspension and stuff. So first of all, I haven't done any maintenance with the dealer yet, so it's just oiling the chain, keeping the air on the tires, checking the oil, stuff like that, so nothing major. I will update you guys when I do the first service with the bike, because I own this bike after the first 1,700 kilometers, so she's now approaching 7k. It has been mostly bad weather, so cold, rain, wind, lots of winds, sunny days like this, but no summer yet, so I cannot tell you how this bike is in the summer, but I suspect that will be miserable like the RS, because the catalytic converter is right between my ankles and right below my butt, so I expect the Ducati treatment with this bike, so rusting nuts. But let's go to the good. So as I said previously, I love this bike because it's the opposite of the RS. It has lots of torque, lots of pull, of grunt. There's no noticeable flat line on the revs, although it revs up to 9,000 only, so it's a different engine with a different profile, but it's fine for it is. I find it very interesting how it works for this bike. The suspension is very good. So if I spot any kind of depression, any kind of bump, I don't even need to take my ass off the seat. But if I do, it's like riding on the cloud. The suspension absorbs everything. It's very good, and I'm very curious of what I can do off-road with this bike. I'm a beginner off-road, and I expect to layer down, but it's something that I look forward to. Let's talk about the wind protection, since we are on the highway. I hate this little windshield, and that's why we have that little thingamajig over there by Puig. Basically, let's just move over so I can talk to you guys without the wind noise. Basically, above 80, like we are doing, that little windshield would project dirty air. It's not even it's not even nice air. It's buffeting, and will just jerk my head around without that little thing over there. So it's awesome if you are up on the bike, on the pegs, and you are riding, it will just project a good nice wind to your chest and buffet you. So if you have vents, it will flap them around. It's great when you are up on the pegs. It sucks if you are sitting. It just sucks. So that's my main grip so far with the bike. Fuel wise, it does great fuel mileage compared to the RS, and I think for a bike of this type, it's really good. Even if I just pull the throttle a lot. Besides that, what more can I say about the bike? Oh, the tires. This bike, I need to take it to the dealer again, but my front wheel is always leaking air. KTM has tubeless tires, or at least this bike has tubeless tires with spoked wheels, but the spokes are in the middle and they just tape it like mountain bikes, and something is not 100% with the front tire because it leaks air. It takes a lot, like a week to come down half a bar, but it already took it there. They changed my valve. There's something that's not right yet, but European bikes, right? The electronics are very good. I especially like the cruise control that allows me to downshift and upshift without disengaging. That's a nice change from the RS. It's very interesting to do stuff like that without impacting my riding. More cheating. Electronics. It has ABS, cornering ABS, traction control, and then on-road and off-road modes. So all of this is good. TC, because I rode in very bad conditions, I already experienced it working. It's not really that intrusive. ABS, same thing. Already experienced it working, and it's good also. So far so good. Engine already talked. It's torquier. It doesn't like to be over revved. It's a meaty engine, but it likes to be shifted. Gears are short. It's an off-road bike, and it shows the gear bias. And we will go to a little bit of off-road, and I can show you off-road. Cobblestone. Let's go to this road. And as you can see, the suspension is something very good. Brakes. I love the rear brake, but the front one is a little bit abrupt and doesn't provide the feeling I'm used to it. So, oh, and this one is very good. The horn is a good horn, no, not a little pip squeak. So that's it, guys. This is a short review. I hopefully will do a bigger one later, but so far this is it. Thank you for watching. See ya.